How often do you eat Filipino food?
I don't eat Filipino food as often as I would like.
Why?
Why? My spouse is my spouse is Irish, and he does pretty much all of the cooking. Yeah, he's great. But so I don't eat as much Filipino food as I like because A, I don't know how to cook it, and B, I think our palates are different. So there's a lot of Filipino foods that he likes, but there's also some that he doesn't. And since I don't know how to cook it anyways, and he does most of the cooking, that's a big reason why. But when I think about it, if it were just me, I wouldn't cook a lot of Filipino foods anyways, just because I don't know how. And I find a lot of Filipino dishes very meat heavy, but I have been learning more about it, and there's so many ways that you can like substitute the meat for vegetables, and there's just different ways to make it. So I think, yeah, moving forward, that's something I would like to do.
So did you grow up not interested in learning, or was that just not something normalized? Or
Yeah, that wasn't, it's awful. That wasn't even something that was on my radar growing up. I never asked my mom to teach me how to cook. It wasn't something I thought about until I had moved out. And then even just then, like learning how to cook in general, let alone cooking Filipino food. And plus I've, like mom lives in town, so I can always call her up and ask her to, yeah, make something. So
did she do that?
oh, she would do that. Yeah.
So what dish did you pick to share with us today?
The dish I picked to share with you today is called Kare, and it is normally made with oxtail, which I don't like the oxtail, but I do like the sauce. So Kare is like a Filipino stew, and it's made with like bok choy, or leaf, like a type of leafy vegetable with beans and eggplant, and it's in this peanutty, delicious sauce. So that's the dish I picked.
Is there a particular reason why you picked it?
I just find that Kare is like really good comfort food. The dish that I've chosen to make is Kare. Of course, I don't know how to make any Filipino food, so my mom is teaching me, supporting me how to make this dish. So, Mom, what do we have in here? We have beef.
We have beef rib. I have pre-boiled them to make it really tender.
So bok choy, eggplant, green beans, onion, garlic. What was this one called again?
That is lost. I'm sorry.
Annatto.
Yeah, annatto powder.
Salt, pepper. This is patis, which is a salty fish sauce. Soy sauce, and then of course peanut butter to give it that peanut taste. Do I just throw it in?
No.
No. No. Okay.
It's good. Doing good.
Okay, you were saying, so you wanted this cut in half.
Cut in half.
Okay.
And then half again.
You wanted it cut in such a way that it wasn't
Can I show you?
like, okay.
Okay, right here. So it's easier to cook with the eggplant. We cut it in the middle, but not right through. And then we soak them in water, which is, I'm gonna go get you water. This one you can cut, and the same thing for the rest, like you.
Do I have to cut it more?
No, this is good. This is good.
Okay. Is that enough? Cut it again.
No,
Like again in half?
that would do. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Oh.
That's enough.
Like I've never chopped a vegetable before, except I have. Should have gone this way. Okay.
there you go.
So then I
So-
can just bring this to a boil.
Yeah, bring it
And
to
then
a boil.
toss that in. So my mom has pre-boiled this meat in some water for 2.5 to 3 hours. And so that's what that is. Now we're going to fry garlic and onion in this pan.
Saute.
We added the onions. And then next is the garlic.
Then you get some juice, put it in bowl.
Like how much?
At least 3 or
Oh,
4.
really?
Yeah.
What does this do?
Well, there's that juice is, I mean, it's from the beef broth, so it makes it tastier if you use that kind of broth.
Oh, okay.
And then
It is on like
medium.
medium high. Pretty much medium. It's on medium. You want more?
Yep. Okay.
Even more?
No, it's okay.
And then how much peanut butter you got there?
This is at least half a cup of peanut butter. And yeah, just mix them well. Make sure they're incorporated well. I'm gonna be putting peanut butter more.
Oh, more?
Yeah.
What? So
That's like half a cup, half a cup. So that's like a cup of peanut butter.
I feel like okay.
And then here's your annatto powder.
And how much annatto powder?
At least.
What is that, like a tablespoon?
No, this one is, I'm gonna be putting a tablespoon. Okay? There.
And does this give it flavor or is it for color?
Color.
Okay.
Color and flavor. A little bit of
Okay.
flavor, but mostly. Okay, I'm gonna be dashing some salt and pepper.
Okay, give it to me. I'm
Okay.
supposed to do it. Like a pinch or like this?
No, 2 of that at
Really?
least. Yeah.
So like
Good.
what is that? Half a teaspoon.
And then the pepper, at least a full, make 1 full. That's good, yeah.
Okay.
And then keep mixing it until there's no lumps on it, and then you can start pouring it in here. This is starting to boil now, so it should be good. This one has been simmering for a while. It's very good, Pauline. You got it. The peanut butter makes it creamy. Once it gets to that point, then you can start pouring it in here. You probably want to use the spatula so you can get everything.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, that's way better. Here, I'll do it.
Okay, you can put it in here now.
Okay, so we're gonna pour this into here.
Very good. Get everything else. Very good.
Okay.
Stir it more from there. We'll make a slurry. It is a mixture of water and a starch to make it more
Thick.
thick.
Okay, so the slurry.
And you notice that it's gonna go thick. So start putting your veggies.
All right, so the beans first because they take longer to cook. Okay.
And
It's getting thicker. So I'm actually gonna. No?
just face down. Okay, then we leave it be for a while, cover it. Or you can put the bok choy on top.
And then it just wilts.
And then it will just wilt up. So don't stir it for a bit.
There.
Put it on medium. There, it's on medium.
Medium. So we're gonna cover it and let it come to a boil and just check on it intermittently. Okay. Ta-da! All the veggies are wilted and the eggplant is very soft. And yeah, it's all done. Nice. Woo-wee. Okay.